Hello again, friends. A new day, a new surprise, and I can't stand it. I have to buy. I found a very cheap mixer on eBay from Lithuania, in fact. It's a really interesting and trusty shop over there with second-hand electronic goods and stuffs. And let's see what I got here. Via FedEx. You know, these guys are really moving. It was very fast. And let's see what they sent. Oops. A Xenyx Q802 with a USB interface and compressor. This one was only 10 euros. Of course, I paid 15 for the post. It was advertised for not working. That shouldn't be a problem. I can fix it. But anyway, I can say these little mixers are very nice. Not only for computer stuff, but also for live singing. I'm using one of these on the stage. I can say I don't have the original power supply, so for testing we have to dismantle, to open the case and to see what's inside there. And I'm gonna have a transformer made specially for this mixer. You see, it needs AC power, and it's a kind of let's call it differential. I mean 2 times 17-18 volts AC. Okay, so let's open up this guy and let's take a look inside, doing some measurements for the beginning. Okay, now it's open. In this region we should have the power supply. I don't like this, but it's okay for now. Well, it doesn't look bad, not at all. So here is the input, the AC input. Which of them? Let me see. Beeping mode. Okay, so that's the one here. Yeah, so the input is fine. The input is absolutely okay. Now you can see that the board, it's untouched, absolutely clean. Yeah, nothing else to do, but let me try to improvise a transformer. I'm happy the input is clear, good. Let me insist a bit with the measurements. So we have the ground. Oh, come on, I can see a 4580. So from 2 volts to 18 audio preamps. Okay, very nice. And we have plus on pin 8 and minus on pin 4. Okay, so if we consider this is obviously the ground, so we have number 4, which gives me 500 ohms. That should be fine to all of them. Okay, and then we have on 8, we have the plus 4.4 something kilo ohms. I don't see any short or anything wrong with this guy for now. So I think I can securely supply AC over there. Okay, but let's have the transformer ready. Okay, so I have another candidate, let's call it, for repurposing, like a power supply for Behringer. So this transformer can easily deliver 25 watts, so it's more than enough. Before anything, let's have a measurement, because we need to know exactly what's the voltage out. So I have to 15 volts. 15 volts at the output, because I have to figure out the number of twisted wires in the secondary. So we have like, so yeah, that's the most difficult part, to have one of these out. And it's out. Beautiful. That's the USB interface, audio interface. It's looking pristine. I don't see any problem. And like I said, this was never ever dismantled. You see, and also one of my goals here is to replace the connector, the power supply connector. Well, this is kind of bulky, but for now it will be fine. I don't have any other smaller. Oh, this is not only perfect, but it fits also in a perfect way in here. Beautiful, no? Okay, that's for later, absolutely, yes. Now I have to see if I can fit this, of course. So this one have to go out, that's for sure. Okay, so the transformer just got a new secondary, theoretically 2 times 18 volts AC, and we'll take a look in a second. I really hope my calculations are good. Middle 18.6, perfect. And the other one, perfect. So we have 2 windings almost in perfect voltage. In the meantime, let me take out the old power plug here. Come on. Finally. But first, let me have the power supply. There we go. Okay, people. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got the power. It's working. Yes, it is. Let me use my headphones for now. We should hear a hiss. Yes, it is. Let's see about the voltages. Middle 17.5, 17.3. Perfect. It's working, and that's normal for having that noise because of the gain. Exceptionally maximum gain, no noise, everything is so fine. Oh, 15 plus here, 15.095 plus there. I wonder how much current is this little guy taking, so I'm gonna, and one goes here, the other one goes right there. Okay, leads, of course, like that. So power on. We have like 140 milliamps. Beautiful. Let me have some going up to 621, 500. This is only, you see, that's because the headphones are working full power, and this is normal. But let's say for normal with no headphones, we have like 139 milliamps. And yes, that means this transformer will deliver without any problems. Okay, nice, beautiful. It's done. Well guys, raspberries from my own garden. They are so good. Yummy. Okay, so now in this situation we should have the LED working. Take it like first, of course. There you go, beautiful. Okay, one more connection to do, and that's the ground. Okay, now beautiful, like that. Bam bam. Professional. Perfect. Screws. Okay, so there's the middle. 18.7, 18.69. Perfect marriage. Headphones. Power. Perfect. Yes. The output, it's okay. Left, right. Yeah, it's perfect. It's working normal. So I may say it's done. I have to put all these screws back, and I have to say that there is a new mixer on the block. Bright, not exactly new, but anyway, working as it should. So I don't bother you with all these screws. And well, I hope it's useful, and like always, please consider subscribing to my channel, push the like button, and I need your comments too. If you find this useful, let me know. And of course, thanks to my sponsors, Vlad from Amphia Records, Chuck from United States, Radu from Belgium. Guys, that's it for today. Kind of long story, you know, new transformer, or in fact, you know, new coil. So I repurposed an old transformer, I may say. That's it. See you soon with some others. Until next one, have fun. Bye bye.